Now come to our topic called types of agranulocytes. And this agranulocyte is a type of WBC which you called leukocytes, जिसको अपन ने क्या बोले थे, ल्यूकोसाइट्स. कुछ कैरेक्टरिस्टिक फीचर ल्यूकोसाइट्स के अपन डिस्कस कर चुके. The first characteristic feature, every leukocyte cells in our blood, they are all colorless. Second one, they are irregular in shape. Third characteristic feature, they are all nucleated. The characteristic feature of every WBC cells or leukocyte cells, they are always nucleated, having no pigment. And the pigment generally which are present in blood cells, they are hemoglobin. But in WBC cells, the pigments are missing. That's why they are colorless. When you observe size of leukocytes, they are 8 to 15 millimicron in size. And total number of WBC in our body ranges from 5000 to 9000 per cubic millimeter of blood. When you observe lifespan, it is up to 3 to 4 days in our body. After that it will die. And when you compare this WBC with RBC, their total quantity ranges up to 600:1. Very few in number. And few biological terms we have studied here, out of which name of one biological term which we have studied here is called diapedesis. Diapedesis, जिसका मतलब अपन ने सुने थे, बोले थे, diapedesis एक ऐसी phenomena in which the WBC cells, the characteristic feature of every WBC cell that they want to squeeze out of blood capillaries. Second biological term अपन ने डिस्कस किए थे called leukopoiesis. Leukopoiesis is again a biological term in which there is formation or production of leukocytes, and the production of leukocytes are of two types. In some organism, in sometime the leukopoiesis formation reduces. At that time the term is called as leukopenia. Leukopenia. If there is decrease in production of leukocytes, then the term is called as leukopenia. If there is increase in total quantity of WBC in any individual, then the term is called as leukocytosis. Leukocytosis. तो ये दो बायोलॉजिकल टर्म जो है यहाँ पर अपने को डिस्कस करना है. इंक्रीज इन टोटल WBC count is called leukocytosis, or decrease in total WBC count is called leukopenia. These are two biological words. And here in two type of WBCs are there. One you called agranulocytes and one you called it as granulocytes. ये granulocyte cells जो है, we have discussed it. There are of three major type. ग्रेनुलोसाइट सेल्स जो है अपन डिस्कस किए थे, ये तीन टाइप के हैं. क्या क्या नाम था उनका? एक को नाम दिया गया था एसिडोफिल सेल्स. एसिडोफिल सेल्स. सम आर कॉल्ड एज बेसोफिल सेल्स and some are described as neutrophil cells. Neutrophil cells. Already we have completed this. Now come to a topic called as agranulocytes. We have completed these granulocytes in brief. Now come to a topic called agranulocytes. What is the characteristic feature of agranulocyte cells? Now when you observe agranulocyte cells, the first characteristic feature is when you observe total WBC, their total quantity becomes 28%. In WBC, the total quantity of agranulocyte is 28%. Second characteristic feature, they have cytoplasm. Every agranulocytes have cytoplasm, but that cytoplasm are without granules. लेकिन वो cytoplasm में क्या है? Granules नहीं है. They are without granules. Third characteristic feature, in every agranulocyte cells, the nuclei they are larger. हर एक ग्रैनुलोसाइट सेल्स का न्यूक्लियाई जो है लार्जर रहता है, बट हैविंग नो लोब्स, लेकिन उनमें कोई लोब्स नहीं है, लोबुलेटेड नहीं है, एंड दे आर गेट फर्दर डिस्टिंग्विश इनटू टू टाइप, और वो कितने टाइप में डिस्टिंग्विश हुआ है? दो टाइप में डिस्टिंग्विश हुआ है. नाउ विच आर दे? इन WBC, which you call leukocytes, A granulocyte cells are of two major types, in which the total quantity becomes 28%. Name of one, A granulocyte cells are called as lymphocytes, lymphocyte cells, and second A granulocyte cells are called as monocyte cells, monocyte cells. ऐसे कितने टाइप के A granulocyte cells पाए गए हैं ब्लड में? दो टाइप के A granulocyte cells पाए गए हैं. Some are called lymphocyte cell and some are called monocyte cells. The characteristic feature of lymphocyte cell is they are smallest of all WBC cells. जितने भी ल्यूकोसाइट सेल्स है उसमें सबसे स्मॉलेस्ट जो है वो लिम्फोसाइट सेल कहलाता है. हैविंग लार्ज न्यूक्लियस, इसका न्यूक्लियस जो है सबसे लार्ज साइज का है. Having large nucleus, and generally it is circular or spherical in shape, and always the nucleus is circular or spherical in shape. And when you observe total count of lymphocytes in WBC, it ranges from 25 to 30%. और इसका रेंज कितना होता है? 25 से 30% जो है टोटल WBC सेल्स में lymphocytes का क्वांटिटी है. And depending upon function, this lymphocyte cell further get distinguished into two types. Depending upon function, they further get distinguished into two major types. Which are they? The first type of lymphocytes depends on function is described as B lymphocyte cell, B lymphocyte cell, and second is described as T lymphocyte cells. कितने टाइप के lymphocyte cells WBC में पाए गए? Some are called as B lymphocyte cell and some are described as T lymphocyte cells. Depending on function. Now what is the role of B lymphocyte cells? The characteristic feature of B lymphocyte cell is they mature in bone marrow. क्या में mature होती है? They always mature in bone marrow. Second one, they are responsible for antibody production. इसका second characteristic feature है they are always responsible for antibody production. And this antibody production is helpful for humoral immunity, और काय में काम करेगा? Humoral immunity में काम करेगा. So that always it is beneficial, so that there is no chances of any disease. And when you observe the structure, they are special. और उसका structure की अगर बात की जाए तो वो special है. Having well, when you observe these lymphocyte cells, they are spherical in shape. And when you observe the position of nucleus, they are always larger and rounded in shape. हमेशा larger size का मिलेगा, rounded shape का nucleus जो है आपको यहाँ मिलेगा. And having cytoplasm, but the cytoplasm are agranular. यहाँ पर cytoplasm मिलेगा लेकिन वो cytoplasm कैसा है? agranular है, क्योंकि ये जो lymphocyte cell है it is a type of agranulocyte cells. So this is cytoplasm, well developed cytoplasm having no granules, and in the middle you will observe there is a spherical nucleus. This is the characteristic feature of B lymphocyte cell. Now what are the characteristic feature of T lymphocyte cell? The first characteristic feature of T lymphocyte cell is every T lymphocyte cell mature in thymus gland. They are responsible for cell mediated immunity. They are always responsible for cell mediated immunity. And due to working in immunity, they always prepare different types of cells which are always beneficial to destroy any type of foreign organism. Means they help to prepare helper T cells in our body. They help to prepare helper T cells in our body. First one. Second one, they help to prepare killer T cells in our body. Third one, they help to prepare memory T cells in our body, so that you get memorized if any type of infection or disease will occur. And Fourth one is described as suppressor T cells. All these different type of immune response is helpful by T lymphocyte cells. So these are the characteristic feature of lymphocytes. Now come to last one called monocytes. What are the role of monocytes? The first characteristic feature of monocyte cells of leukocytes, which is agranular in nature, they are largest in whole WBC. पूरे WBC सेल्स में, पूरे ल्यूकोसाइट सेल्स में सबसे लार्जेस्ट सेल जो है वो मोनोसाइट है, इन विच द न्यूक्लियस इज ऑलवेज लार्जर, जिसमें न्यूक्लियस जो है उसका वो भी सबसे लार्जेस्ट है. एंड व्हेन यू ऑब्जर्व द शेप ऑफ न्यूक्लियस इट गेट किडनी शेप. और न्यूक्लियस के शेप की बात की जाए तो किडनी शेप का न्यूक्लियस जो है मोनोसाइट्स में कहलाता है. एंड टोटल नंबर ऑफ क्वांटिटी ऑफ मोनोसाइट सेल्स इन अवर ब्लड इज 3 to 5%. एंड wherever there is chances of infection, बॉडी में कहीं पर भी अगर इन्फेक्शन की चांसेस है, इन्फेक्शन अगर हुआ है, at that time it at the site of infection it convert into macrophage. उस समय ये बॉडी में किस में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है? मैक्रोफेज में मोनोसाइट जो है कन्वर्ट हो जाता है. सो दैट इट्स वेरी इजी टू एंगल्फ, जिसके कारण हर मोनोसाइट सेल्स को बड़ा आसान हो जाएगा जिससे वो एंगल्फ कर पाए कोई भी टाइप के फॉरेन मटेरियल को. Any type of foreign material are easily engulfed by monocyte cells, so that there is a phenomena called phagocytosis, जिसके थ्रू ये कौन सी फिनोमिना फॉलो कर सके? Phagocytosis फिनोमिना जो है फॉलो कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. Even it removes the cell debris. Even monocyte जो है it remove cell debris which are dead or decaying cells are also removed by monocyte cells. And when you observe the shape of monocyte cell, they are largest in total WBC leukocytes. And when you observe the nucleus shape of nucleus, it is kidney shape. And that kidney shaped nucleus is again larger as compared to other granulocyte or agranulocyte cells. So this is cytoplasm, which is agranular. You have to label it. This is cytoplasm, which is agranular, and in the middle there is nucleus, and the shape of nucleus is bean shape, or you may call kidney shape. This is the characteristic feature of monocyte cells. So here we have completed different types of agranulocytes, in which two type of agranulocytes which we have studied. One is lymphocyte cell and one is monocyte cells. Lymphocyte cells, they are of two types depending on function. One is B lymphocyte and one is T lymphocytes. On the basis of the shape of nucleus, we have discussed regarding lymphocyte cells and how they are beneficial for human health. Similarly, when you observe monocytes, they are largest of all WBC. Nucleus is larger. Okay? At the site of infection, it converts into macrophage. They engulf different type of foreign material, including different types of viruses, bacteria, or any type of microorganism, so that they do a phenomena called phagocytosis, and it also remove a cell debris, और एक में remove करता है cell debris को भी remove करता है. This is details regarding agranulocytes.